Hello, it's Natasha. Welcome back to my channel. This was not supposed to be a two-part video, but it seems like it's going to be a two-part video. So here's the story behind this. I was going to make a card, as always, clean, simple, quick and easy, using this stamp set from Ellen Hudson, which I absolutely love. I just adore this set, and a heart die. So I have a heart die. It's also from Ellen Hudson, but you can obviously use any heart die that you have, and some bright colors of inks. And I'm going to use some Catherine Puller inks. So, but while I was thinking about this card and while I was making it, I had this idea of another card that emerged from this card. So, and I think it's kind of interesting how our creative mind works. And so I made two cards. And so these two videos are going to show you the evolution of a card. So today I'll share with you this first card, which is very quick and easy, very simple to make. And in a couple of days I'll share the second card with you. Okay, let's jump right in. So here is my first initial card. So I just adhered it onto the colored card base and foam mounted the heart. I'm not particularly happy with how I arranged the colors. You see, I have two green butterflies next to each other, but well, that's okay. And also the sentiment, which I again foam mounted, adding double layer of foam squares to this side. I placed it a bit higher than I would normally do, because according to the rule of thirds it should be a little bit lower, but I had a smudge here, so I sort of had to cover it. So it's a little secret between you and me, so don't tell anyone. So okay, here is the card. If you like this idea and if you want to make a similar card, you obviously can use any shape, not necessarily a heart. And also, if you don't have a stamp set that has an outline and a solid stamp, you can just color the images the way you wish, just using your watercolors or pencils or markers or whatever. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. Stay tuned for the second card, and I hope you will like the evolution of this card and of this idea. Have a great day, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you again soon. Bye.